Hello there and welcome to a little insight on your digital shop floor and how we could maybe solve your challenges. I'm here today with Franziska Trautmann, Business Enablement at Siemens. And Franziska, we're talking about the digital shop floor today and how Siemens is driving this digital transformation in part manufacturing, right? Now, the Siemens MACHINUM portfolio is the solution here, and it covers a variety of aspects like optimizing processes, increasing transparency, and also enable real-time decision-making. Now, my first question for you is today's focus, the digital shop floor. Why are we talking about it?
Yeah, so the digital shop floor is about digitalizing the production level of a part manufacturing company. So it's about connecting machines, getting the data, and especially replacing manual or paper-based processes with digital workflows and with connected systems. And this helps to have the required transparency, to have the required data, to make data-based better decisions. And this is important for companies today because there is a lot of challenges. Manufacturing is getting more and more complex. There is a lot of variety. There is a lot of volatility in the markets and also a shortage of skilled staff. And in that challenging environment, just doing more of the same is no longer enough. So we need new levers that can be used. And this is where digital transformation can help.
Okay, so thank you for this overview. Now, Siemens is bundling all the different digitalization solutions under the name MACHINUM, right? And my question for you is, what role does this MACHINUM play here, and how do we support companies in their digital shop floor?
MACHINUM is our software portfolio that is really tailored to the part manufacturing shop floor. So it can help companies with ready-to-use products to optimize their processes, to increase transparency, and to get more out of their machines. And we have different focus areas where we can start. So there is, for example, shop floor management. That is really about optimizing workflows on the shop floor related to the machine, to tools, to CNC programs, and also just getting the basic transparency you need about machine utilization. But you can also start directly at the machine, taking a very close look at the process itself. And there we have solutions then that can help to use real-time cutting data, analyze that data, and speed up the machining process and also protect the tools, for example.
Okay. Yeah, thank you so much for these many examples that we have there now. So shop floor management and digital shop floors are all about efficiency, right? High priority topic here. So what do these applications now deliver, and what's maybe even new developments here in this area?
So we are addressing the area of shop floor management with our central shop floor platform named M-Center. This is kind of a modular approach. So we have different applications running on it, covering different use cases. I would say there are three main areas. The first one is tool management. So there it's really about optimizing tool inventories, reducing tool costs, and speeding up setup processes. The second one is about NC program management. So there it's really about managing all the NC programs and making sure that the right program in the right version gets to the machine in time. And the third one is more related to the machine data itself. So throughout the process, we are collecting data from the machine. We are analyzing this, visualizing this to provide the transparency that is needed, how machines are utilized, where we maybe have a bottleneck. And with that, we can derive further optimization measures. And about what's new, we have been working on extended connectivity options so that we can really cover the entire part manufacturing shop floor. There, for example, we are showing the connection via serial interfaces. And we are also working further towards the interoperability between different systems on the shop floor. What's also new is enhanced possibilities within the analytics of machine states, for example.
Okay, thank you so much for these many examples here. And you've already touched upon this topic of optimization. And I'd like to know more about the real-time process optimization, which is essential for the digital shop floor. So also here the question, what is our Siemens offering here? And is there anything new about that?
We are optimizing the machining process itself with our adaptive control and monitoring, or short ACM suite. And with that, we are taking cutting data, real-time cutting data, which is a very rich, very detailed data set. And we use that data to increase machine throughput, to reduce tool costs, and to detect tool breakages. And what is new in that area is that we also have an analytics application that can help to analyze historical cutting data, to provide further insights, and to, for example, optimize NC programs.
And what are the types of companies that the MACHINUM portfolio now supports most?
I would say all companies that have CNC machines in their production, that are in the different part manufacturing industries, they can all benefit. So we have a lot of different use cases. It all depends on where the companies want to start. But I think there is a lot in the MACHINUM portfolio that can help also different persons in the company. So maybe on the production management or shop floor management level, but also process engineers, programmers, machine operators. So we have software with workflows that supports a lot of these tasks.
All right, Franziska, now looking around here at our very busy booth here at EMO, there are even more digitalization solutions, right? Could you give us a short overview of what's to be seen here?
Yeah, there is a lot to see here on the booth. Besides the topics that are focusing on the digital shop floor, we also have the digital twin. So that is our digital twin of the Cinemeric One that helps to prepare and to simulate and verify and see programs virtually. That means before they reach the shop floor. And with that, we can achieve first-time right production. So we can avoid that there is any problem with the real machine. And what is also one highlight here at our booth is our end-to-end showcase that really includes a lot of different use cases, starting with design through manufacturing to optimization, and that shows how these different tools can seamlessly work together, also powered by AI-driven use cases to optimize components such as a component of a jet engine, which we have here.
Now, specifically the last aspect that you mentioned already shows that we think about the future, that our solutions are future-oriented. As an expert, what would you say? Where's the digital CNC shop floor headed?
I believe the digital CNC shop floor is headed to an even further connected and more intelligent manufacturing with even more autonomous machining and more autonomous processes. And I think having these seamless integration possibilities and this interoperability between systems, and of course having the power of industrial AI in different use cases, is something that will shape the future of the part manufacturing shop floor.
Thank you so much, Franziska. Keep rocking here at EMO. And to everyone here watching this video, I can only say, reach out to our team Siemens, to our experts like Franziska. We are here to help you find your solutions.